Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contriver podcast, and you're in episode number 36 of Cons and Show. And today we are going to discuss about what is the basic thing in mathematics that you have to know to start a business. Sounds really interesting. Let's get started. The only important thing that you have to know in mathematics calculation or in accounting to start a business is, note this is quite important. You have to write lots of formula. I'll tell you. The things are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, probably percentage. That's it. So these are the 5 important things that you have to know to start a business or to know the accounting of your business. It's quite simple. It might sound quite simple, but that's it. Business is quite simple. It's not that you have lots of complicated formulas and calculations to start a business and to run that successfully. No, we have accountants for that. We have auditors for that. We have lots of equations. There are lots of separate department in an industry or in a company to manage that particular thing. When you start to grow in that particular scale, if your business is quite eligible for that, you can afford that. Until then, these 5 basic things, not even 5, these 4 basic things are quite important to manage the entire funds of your particular business. It's as simple as that. Let me give you an analogy about it. You earn something out of a project or per hour, and out of that particular money that you get or that particular amount that you get, some percent goes into your employee payment or the bills for your employees. Some percent goes to the supplier, that's the raw material, resource, transport and maintenance, all that, suppliers. And some percent of your money goes to, your profit goes to the tax. And rest of the things that you have, you just invest that into some other business and you just invest a lot of more percent of profit into the same business. That's it. That's quite simple as your business is. If what I narrated you felt like a nonsense thing, and if you didn't even get this particular basic thing that I'm talking about, you're not really capable to handle a business as of now. Just basic maths, that knowledge is more than enough to start a business, to run a successful business. Dude, you're telling me something stupid. Then why did my teacher teach me sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1? Mod x, find permutation, find combination, find probability. All those are not for business. There are accountant people or there are auditing people who takes care of all those things. The complicated formulas, the calculations that you guys write in your exams or that you guys used to do in your academics, and that would make a bundles of books, that is not really necessary for your business or for your entire life. The only thing that you might really use in your entire business or in your entire life are these 5 things. Probably a bit of compound interest and simple interest. That's the knowledge of that. If you know that, that's it. You just have to know how much profit you make, how much loss you make, what's your investment, what's your revenue. That's it. That's quite it. That's the only thing that you need for business. It doesn't really need lots of calculation. That is what I wanted to insist. Many people think that, no, I'm not good in accounts to manage a business. I'm a CEO of a company, but I'm not that good in accounts. I'm a manager of a company, but I'm not that good in numbers, or no, I'm not that good in remembering numbers. You have to know your numbers, that's it. What's the profit that you make? What's the loss that you make? What's your overall revenue? What's your investment? How much do you give it for your shareholders? What's the percentage of profit that you can make? What's the percentage of reserves that you can keep? That's it, guys. It's as simple as that. So in our next video, we'll talk something more interesting, and as of now, bye bye, we'll see you in our next video.